Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R2,500,000. Are you looking for lock up and go in a security estate? Then this property might just be what you are looking for. Offering an open plan living room and kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an enclosed patio, double automated garages and a small garden. Glossy porcelain tiles throughout. 3 bedrooms all with BICs and 2 of the 3 bedrooms are north facing for lots of natural light. Dark wood kitchen cupboards with granite tops, a breakfast nook and space for dishwasher and single door fridge. 2 full bathrooms, of which the one is the ensuite to the main bedroom. Big windows for lots of natural light. The lounge leads to the enclosed patio via sliding door, and the patio has concertina doors for winter and summer conditions. Aluminium windows for low maintenance. This property also offers a small garden. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.